Welcome back to MJHD-TECH, where we bring you the best freeware software, tools, tricks, and solutions for Windows. Today, we're diving into something really exciting: how to install ChatGPT on your Windows PC. Yes, you heard that right. ChatGPT is a powerful AI that can assist you with anything from writing to brainstorming ideas. And the best part? You can have it running on Windows. Before we get started, you'll need to download the installer. I've got the link ready for you in the description below. Just head over to this GitHub page. First, open your browser and go to the link provided. You'll land on this GitHub page where you can find the ChatGPT installer. Scroll down to the Releases section. Here you'll see the latest version of the installer. Click on the version that matches your Windows system. Once the file is downloaded, open the installer to start the installation process. It's pretty straightforward. Once it's done, you'll see the ChatGPT shortcut on your desktop. Now, let's launch ChatGPT and see it in action. The application starts up, and you're greeted with a sleek interface. From here, you can start typing your queries and get instant responses from the AI. You can also change the theme of your chat. Just go to the Preferences, hover over the theme option, and here you can change your theme to dark. Here, you can use ChatGPT on your Windows without going to the browser, which really adds convenience to your work. Installing ChatGPT on Windows is that simple. With this powerful tool at your fingertips, the possibilities are endless. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's something specific you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching MJHD-TECH, and I'll see you in the next video.